Alright everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink a Monday. Today we have Todd eating food.
Hungry.
And we also have Summit Energy, Tropical Waves, Pineapple, and Starfruit.
We should sell those at the auto parts store.
I know, right? Summit, Tropical Waves, Pineapple, Starfruit Energy Drink. Nice. Also very pretty can art on there once again as well. So same place from last time, an oldie special. Summit is the brand that they use for their energy drinks. Pretty cool. I think for their sodas as well, right? Yeah, sodas as well. So alright, let's look at the important factoids. We got ourselves 10 little baby calories. We got ourselves 1 gram of carbohydrate. We got ourselves 50 milligrams of calcium, 60 milligrams of vitamin C, 20 milligrams of B3. We got ourselves 1.7 milligrams of riboflavin. We got 2 milligrams of B6, 6 micrograms of B12, 50 milligrams of B5, 300 milligrams of biotin. And then we also have in the caffeine 200 milligrams in the entire can of caffeine. And this is from green tea leaves, I believe.
Extract.
Yeah, extract. So that's pretty cool.
I really do.
So pineapple and Starfruit. So let's see.
Starfruit.
Starfruit. Yep, pineapple and Starfruit. So this is interesting.
It's
So
awesome.
Ooh, okay.
Can't wait. Can't wait. Can't wait.
Ooh, heavy on the Starfruit.
Rather than Starburst, I suppose. And I can smell
Wow.
it over here.
That is very, very heavy on the Starfruit flavor. A little bit of pineapple, but very, very Starfruit oriented.
Well, pineapple's so strong anyways. Wow.
Yeah.
Nice blend.
It is good.
Have a smooth little way down.
Yep.
Not quite as much bite from the pineapple.
You still get a good amount of carbonation with the little bubbles.
Yeah, I would say this is a little bubblier.
Yeah.
Got a little bit more texture than the peach one.
Yep.
Excellent though.
Wow. I know, but definitely heavy on the Starfruit and very, very smooth. Like that.
I think it's
Tasty.
a good combo though. That means pineapple can take over so easily. So.
So when you put in a pineapple blend and the other flavors able to pair out nicely with it, it works out really, really good.
Can art is definitely on point. They did a good job on that.
Man, that's tasty. Nice. Yeah, but it's definitely kind of almost like a soda punch type. So a little bit on the punchy side.
It's like a softer, sun-kissed or Fanta pineapple soda.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah. So, but once again, the taste profile for only having 1 carbohydrate, 10 calories, no sugar, that's really good. I like that.
I can't wait to go to Aldi's and buy as many of those as I can.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because you're going to buy lots of those.
I hope so.
Yeah.
I hope so.
So, anyways,
I have to get there.
I would say that once again is an SRT 392 because that is excellent. I like that.
They did it, but they did it.
They did a really good job, and from what I remember, the price on it's pretty decent, especially compared to the fact that you get a Monster Energy now for $3 from a gas station.
When, like
I think it's
$2 or under?
I think it's like $1 something.
Wow.
So
That's
if I remember. So anything that does that compared to gas station energy drinks, that's a good price. So there you go.
Yes, that's amazing. Cool.
That's tasty.
I really like being able to have the caffeine from the tea.
Yeah, exactly. It's a different texture too. So that's pretty cool. So alrighty guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys here next time. Bye bye.